Hey parents! If you've got a teen who's a little shy, unsure how to express themselves, or just wants to level up their speaking skills, you're going to love this. Today, we're talking about how your teenager can use ChatGPT, yes, the AI, to boost their communication, debating, and public speaking abilities. Let's get into it. Why this matters for teens. Strong communication isn't just for the stage, it's for life. Whether it's speaking up in class, interviewing for a job, or making their voice heard in a group project, these skills give teens a huge advantage. But practicing them, that can be awkward or intimidating. That's where ChatGPT comes in, like a private, judgment-free practice partner. How ChatGPT can help, step by step. A. Practicing everyday conversations. Is your teen unsure how to start conversations or express their thoughts clearly? They can practice real-life chats with ChatGPT. For example, they can say, "Help me explain how I feel about something without sounding rude." It's a great way to build confidence in speaking, without pressure. B. Sharpening debate skills. If your teen loves a good argument, ChatGPT can help them build and challenge arguments. Try this prompt: debate me on should smartphones be banned in schools, or give me both sides of the argument about social media for teens. ChatGPT can even play the opposing side, helping them practice critical thinking, respectful rebuttals, and persuasive language. C. Public speaking practice. Got a teen who's nervous about giving a speech? ChatGPT can help them. Write a speech and practice it out loud. Get feedback on pacing and clarity. They could ask, "Help me write a speech about climate change for my class." Then, "Can you give me feedback if I send you my speech draft?" It's like having a personal coach, right there on their laptop. How parents can support. You don't have to be a tech expert to help your teen use ChatGPT. Just ask them, "What did you work on today with ChatGPT? Can I hear the speech you practiced? What was the most interesting debate you had?" Support their curiosity, celebrate their growth, and let them know it's okay to stumble. That's how you learn. Quick tips for safe use. Like any tech tool, ChatGPT is most powerful when used safely. Here are a few simple guidelines. Stick to school-friendly topics. Don't share personal information. Use it as a learning tool, not a shortcut. Keep an open conversation about how your teen is using it, and you'll stay in the loop. Final thoughts. ChatGPT isn't replacing teachers, coaches, or real conversations. It's enhancing them. With a little creativity and curiosity, your teen can use it to become a more confident speaker, sharper thinker, and stronger communicator. If you found this helpful, hit like and share it with other parents. And if you want a cheat sheet of great ChatGPT prompts for teens, just drop a comment below.